So here's how to turn off power saving mode in Windows 11. It's quite simple, so let's get started. First of all you're going to do is simply go to the search bar and search for control panel. There you go. You need to open it up. Alright, so now from here you need to go with the hardware and sound. You need to tap on that, and then from here you need to select the power options. Alright, select that one, and then as you can see we got this. So now from here you need to select the create a new power plan. Just select that one, and then from here you need to select the high performance and then tap on next. Now from here you need to find out turn off the display. How many minutes later you want to turn off the display. We will select that one and use to never. All right, then simply tap on create, and then as you can see we have create a plan and the plan is selected like this. So after that you need to tap on the change plan settings, then again change advanced power settings, just turn it on like that, and then from here select the hard disks, and from here you need to just select the 0 like that. Type the 0, which means your hard disk will not be turned off after some minutes of active. So when you turn your PC off, then only your hard disk will be turned off. So that's how you can turn off power saving mode in Windows 11 to get the best performance out of it. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like, and we'll see you pretty next time.